What if I told you BMW's smallest SUV just made its biggest leap forward? And if you click away now, you'll miss more than just a car review. You'll miss the future, hidden in plain sight. Welcome to Australian Car 2025, where we don't just talk cars. We uncover emotion, innovation, and the kind of stories that make machines feel almost human. Today, you're about to meet the 2026 BMW X1. But stay with me, because if you miss this video, you'll miss the key details that make this SUV stand out in ways no one expected. Sound of engine revving softly. Let's be honest. The X1 has always been that entry point into BMW. Safe, sensible, premium, but never quite the showstopper. Until now. This isn't just a refresh. It's a reinvention. The 2026 X1 is bolder, more emotional, more connected, and every detail feels like it's been tuned not just for the road, but for the person behind the wheel. Take one glance at it and you'll feel it. The proportions are cleaner. The design, more assertive. A refined front grille that feels sculpted, not oversized. New adaptive LED lights with laser precision. It doesn't shout for attention, but somehow, you can't look away. But again, if you skip this video, you'll never know the subtle touches that make this design a quiet revolution. Opening sound of door, soft interior chime. Step inside, and everything changes. You're not just sitting in a car anymore. You're inside a space designed around emotion. Around instinct. The dashboard wraps around you, with BMW's iconic curved dual-screen display stretching like a seamless piece of digital art. Everything feels intentional. Minimalistic, but never cold. Warm lighting. Precision stitching. A center console that floats. It's modern luxury, not screaming, just whispering, "You belong here." And the way it reacts to you. That's the part no one expects. You slide in. It knows your name, your preferred drive mode, your favorite playlist. It adjusts your seat, your mirrors, even your ambient light settings, before you even touch a button. This car learns you. And again, if you're not watching closely, you're going to miss how deeply this machine connects. Slight pause, rising suspense. Now let's talk movement. Because the X1 doesn't just sit pretty, it's alive under the skin. Powertrain options start with a turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine, refined and efficient, but still eager. Step up to the xDrive 28i, and you've got a twin-power turbo 4-cylinder with 0 to 100 in under 6.5 seconds. Smooth, fast, confident. But for those who see the future, the 9-1 changes the game completely. Fully electric, instant torque, silent, but fierce. A different kind of power. One that hums instead of roars. You feel it most in corners. The new chassis tuning. Tight. Precise. This isn't just an SUV. It's a driver's machine. One that rewards you for pushing. One that begs for curves. If you blink, if you leave this video now, you'll never understand what it feels like to command power that listens, not fights. Heartbeat sound subtly fades in, then fades. And then, something unexpected. The 2026 X1 introduces predictive driving intelligence. It studies your routine, knows your routes, detects traffic patterns, and preloads your preferred settings depending on time of day. You don't ask it to adapt. It just does. It's like driving a car that understands your lifestyle. One that doesn't just respond to inputs, but anticipates needs. And no, this isn't future tech. It's here, in the X1, right now. But again, miss this video, and you'll miss what could be the beginning of the most intuitive driving experience of your life. Suspense resets with a slow build-up. And here's something else most won't notice. Rear seat comfort. More legroom than ever. A quieter cabin. A boot capacity of over 500 liters. Family ready, weekend ready, but still unmistakably BMW. And then, there's the drive modes. ECO Pro for quiet efficiency. Sport for sharpened throttle. comfort for everyday serenity. And the new adaptive mode? It balances everything automatically, based on your inputs. It's like, the car knows when you need to relax, and when it's time to unleash. Emotional, intelligent, elegant. That's what this SUV has become. But if you skip this, if you don't stay till the end, you'll never feel what this car really is, an invitation to drive something smarter, smoother, and far more personal than anyone expected from an entry-level BMW. Soft emotional piano builds with cinematic tone. So here's the truth. The 2026 X1 isn't the flashiest BMW, but it might be the most important. It's accessible luxury done right. Innovation wrapped in simplicity. An emotion built into every drive, every turn, every breath of the accelerator. You might not have seen it coming, but you'll remember it once you drive it. And that is exactly why this isn't just another review. This is a warning. Because if you miss this video, you don't just miss a car. You miss the feeling of discovering something extraordinary. Car door shuts softly, music fades down. Thanks for watching Australian Car 2025. And remember, the most important car of the year might be the one that doesn't shout, but stays with you long after the drive is over. Until next time, drive deeper.